Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I am headed to Walmart for my weekend video for you guys. Look, I tried to come last night and record my video, or yesterday evening rather. It was just too crowded. It was just too many people. Your girl has anxiety, and I was just like, my focus was just all, I couldn't even concentrate, y'all. Like, I couldn't even concentrate. But got up this morning early to head to Walmart to knock out this video. Now, I do have my weekend bonus. I need 15 rebates for $5. I'm also tracking for the Derby Days one as well. And for that, I think I still need like 16, 17. So hopefully the goal is to knock out 17 rebates and get back $10. This should be pretty easy. I'll have a Google Doc if you want to follow along that way. But if you're new here, yes, if you're new here, because I know some of you guys are new here, definitely make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button, sports girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss on a video. So the only thing I wanted to mention was with Ibotta making its recent changes and excluding coupons. Well, certain offers exclude coupons everywhere. At CVS, I didn't notice there was no difference. There was no change. Like, I submitted 3 receipts for Axe, and they all went through. Like, I got credit for all of them. But they did go into a processing status. I will say that they didn't go straight through. Now, for Walmart's receipts, they went into processing, but it did process pretty quickly. CVS, on the other hand, took a little longer. Like, one of my receipts didn't process until the next day. And I think the only issue with that is that if you're used to the rebates resetting every 24 hours, then that kind of throws it off. Because it's like, normally if you do a deal today at 8 o'clock in the morning, if it resets, it'll reset tomorrow at 8 o'clock. But if it doesn't process until 8 o'clock at night, then it's not going to reset until the next day, 8 o'clock at night. So I think that's the only downfall that I could say as far as the whole processing period. But I have been getting credit for everything at CVS with coupons and extra care bucks. And so I don't know if they're going to change that. Apparently their system is not too sensitive as of right now, but yeah, so let me know what you guys are experiencing. Those of you who do shop at either Walgreens or Rite Aid or other stores, have you had any issues? But for me, it's just CVS and Walmart and CVS. I haven't had any issues. And so other than that, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart and see what kind of deals we can grab, so definitely keep on watching. All right, guys, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is these Funnable fruit snacks. Which I actually wouldn't mind trying these and seeing if Josiah will eat them. He loves the Welch's. And he hates the moths. I mean, I don't really like the moths, but I'm hoping he'll like these character ones. So I'm gonna grab a box of the 10 count. They're priced at $3.24. Now I did try this deal yesterday. I grabbed the 10 count. And I submitted for the rebate on Shopkick. It's 850 kicks, which is $3.40. So to make this a 16-cent moneymaker, I've heard that the Super Mario Brother one works for multiple redemptions. I just tried it for that one, and it worked for me. So so yeah. All right, guys, this next deal is over here because they are so busy. It's on the Too Good yogurts. These are priced at $1.28 each. You're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll be getting back $1.20 for buying 2 on Ibotta, and you're also gonna get back $1 on ShopMe for buying 2, making these only 18 cents each, which is definitely not bad. So this next deal is on the Coffee Mate plant-based creamer. I am a major coffee drinker, y'all, every single day, sometimes twice a day. So definitely I'm willing to try this. So they're priced at $4.26. You're gonna grab 1. You'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $1.25 back on coupons.com, as well as, I'm sure, ShopMe and Alexa. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 2 of these. It'll make them $1.01 each, which is definitely not bad. So this next deal is on the Gain Easy Squeeze. It's priced at $2.12. You're grabbing 1. You're getting back $8 on Ibotta, making this $8.12. So next up, I'm going to be grabbing the Glade air fresheners again. They're priced at $2.38. You're grabbing 1, getting back $8 on Ibotta. Also going to get back $1 on ShopMe as well. Bringing this down to only 38 cents. So this next deal is on the Purcell. It's priced at $5.97. And for this, you're grabbing 1, you're gonna get back $1. So maybe you guys might have $2 on Ibotta. I have $1. And then it's also a 2,000 points on Fetch Reward, which bring that down to 97 cents. which is definitely not bad. And so yeah, so this next deal is on the Colgate Optic White Pro Series, priced at $10.46 for this deal. I submitted on coupons.com at 2 separate offers on there. One was $5 and one was $3. I had the same on Alexa as well, which made this a $5.54 moneymaker. Now you might still have this offer on Ibotta. I did mine last week, and so if you do, even bigger moneymaker for you. So this next deal is on the Garnier Fructis. I went ahead and just grabbed this. These particular ones here are cheaper online. They are priced at $2.82. So I went ahead and price matched them. I ended up paying $5.64 out of pocket, but I got back $3 for buying 2 on coupons.com as well as Alexa. So it ended up making them both free plus a 36-cent moneymaker. So this next deal is going to be on the Dove Body Love Cleansers. They're priced at $7.97. You're grabbing one and you're going to get back $2 on Ibotta. We also have 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80, and then $3 on ShopMe. I'm making that 37 cents. Now you can also grab the Dove Body Love bars. They are priced at $4.97. I'm gonna grab one of them and I'm gonna get back $3 on Alexa. I'll also get back 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80, bringing that down to only 17 cents each. Alright, so this next deal is going to be on the Dove hand soap. It's priced at $4.17. We'll be grabbing one of them. Now, we do have dollar coupons in our inserts that we're getting on Sunday. I'm going to go ahead and use the $1.50 printable. It should work. It has worked on the hand soaps in the past. That's going to bring your total down to paying $2.67 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back $8 on Ibotta. There's also 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.20, so it'll make that only 47 cents. Alright, this next deal is on the Dove bars, which they finally put these little travel centers up. They have one left. Look, damn. Okay, so we're going to grab one of these. They are priced at $1.56 for the trial size bar. You're going to submit on Shopkick. And you're going to get back 400 kicks, which is $1.60. So it makes this a 4-cent moneymaker. So this next deal is going to be on the Maybelline lip. It's number 410 in particular, which is Blissful Berry right here. This one is cheaper online. It's priced for $2.74 online. So you want to price match that price. You get back $1.50 from Ibotta, $2 on coupons.com. It'll make that a 76-cent moneymaker. So this next deal is going to be on the L'Oreal $3.95, which is Carbon Black. It's cheaper online. It's only $4.65, so you're going to price match that. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta. You're also going to be getting back $2 on ShopMe and Alexa or coupons.com as well, bringing that down to only 65 cents. Now I do have 2 different offers on my Fetch Reward. One is spend 35, get back 7, and one is spend, I want to say 30, get back 4. So I may hit it with this one, and so it'll make it a little bit of a moneymaker. Blah, blah. It'll make it a little bit. You get the point. I was wondering if so I know we've used the $5 printable on this one here. I wonder if it would work on one of these. So I think I'm gonna try one. Not this one because this one's priced too high. I think I'm gonna try this one right here and see if the $5 printable works on this. Let me see if it'll scan on coupons.com. That might be a good indicator. Just because it doesn't scan on coupons.com doesn't mean it's not going to scan though. So I'll grab one of these and see if it works with a coupon, because at least that'd be one extra item that we could grab. I low-key want to try this one too, but if it doesn't work, I can always just take the item off. So I think I'm going to try both of these just so I can let you guys know if they work with the coupon or not. Okay, so this next deal is on the Quickqs. This store is completely out of them. There's a 50 count and then there is the 40 count as well. I've been grabbing the 40 count, getting back $2 on Ibotta. Now I had another offer pop up for $1.50. When I submitted in store to verify, both popped up, but when I submitted my receipt, I only got back the $2. And then you're also getting back 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.60, making that a 63-cent moneymaker. And then the other items that I grabbed are on the Poise. All right, so I grabbed one of each of these. The 30 count, there's a $3 rebate on Ibotta. It's also working for an offer on Shopkick for 900 kicks, which is $3.60, so it makes that a 63-cent moneymaker. The 20 count, I've been grabbing, and it's been working for a $2 rebate on Ibotta and 875 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.50, so it makes that only 47 cents. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This was an awesome haul. You know what? I ain't even gonna lie. The thing I'm most excited about in this haul is this creamer, y'all. I love coffee. I already have my coffee for today, but low-key want to have more coffee just so I could try this creamer. If you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments, but I low-key might just make me a cup of coffee just to try it. And so there's that, but this worked out really good. I only had like 2 coupons. I didn't go over the Irish Spring because I already did a video on that, and the offer is no longer there, or it's dropped extremely. So I didn't want to go over that deal because it's dead. And the other deal I didn't go over was a Starry, because I know you're probably tired of seeing Starry, but I did it yesterday. It didn't reset for today, so hopefully you won't have to see it until Ibotta pops it up again. But other than that, everything else worked out. I got all my kicks on Shopkick. I don't think I got the kicks for this one. And so I put a ticket in, and they credit me my account this morning for that. So I did get back all my kicks on Shopkick, which is awesome. Now lately I've noticed, though, I've been having not major issues, but cashiers telling me they don't price match anymore. So I'm in cosmetic yesterday, in the cosmetic favorite cashier, and she's like basically just telling me that they don't price match anymore. She goes on her break, and then I check out with the guy that's there. He price matches, no questions asked, whatever. And then today, same thing. I'm in the personal hygiene aisle because there's a cashier there now. And she tells me, oh, they don't price match anymore. The manager supervisor over there says they don't. I go up front and they do. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I think I'm just going to chalk it up to like miscommunication, because like up until like these last 2 days, I hadn't had any issues price matching, because I was able to price match the L'Oreal for $4.65 and the Maybelline for $2.74, and the Fructis as well, without any issues. I was able to price match them, though. And so everything else worked out really good. I only have the 2 coupons, Irish Spring and the Dove. And so everything you see here retails $99.36. I had $3.50 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $95.86. And this is $6.08 in sales tax. And then I walk away with $32.55 from Ibotta. I had $33.02 from Shopkick. $3.50 of that was just scan kicks between 2 accounts. And ShopMium was $16.25. Coupons.com was $11, and Alexa was $22.25. Now I'm still waiting for Fetch, because I had to have my receipt corrected for the L'Oreal, and this is my second time doing that today. And so I'm not going to count that 4,000 points in my numbers, because I haven't gotten it yet. And so that brings everything back to $115 and 7 cents. So it makes everything you see here free, plus a $19.21 moneymaker, which is so awesome, you guys. So awesome. And so other than that, you guys, if there are deals that your girl has been missing out on, drop them in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.